Jai Hind students, just going to start lecture 2, basic concepts with the topic mole. Mole. In this case, we are well aware mole concept. This is actually in 1960, the General Conference of Weight and Measures introduced the unified mass unit, mole. We are starting from here, and all the lines you must be aware, all the lines may be asked in examination. Be sure. In 1960, the General Conference of Weight and Measures introduced the unified mass unit, which is referred as AMU, atomic mass unit. Simply see, in mole, in 1960, the General Conference of Weight and Measures introduced the unit known as unified mass unit. This may be asked, which is referred as atomic mass unit, AMU. We are usually calculating the AMU. I will let you know how to calculate one AMU value. Now you see, mole is a unit which represents 6.022 into 10 to power 23 particles, atoms. These may be atoms, these may be molecules, or these may be ions, etc., irrespective of their nature. This should be clearly noted by you all that mole is a unit which represents this number of particle, which is actually termed as Avogadro number, which is termed as a specific number which is representing about the all gases in a definite volume. Actually, the number of molecules will be equal at similar temperature and pressure or similar conditions. So now the thing is, this 6.00222 into 10 to the power 3 particles, atoms, molecules, or ions, etc., irrespective of their nature. Not going to consider that one. The number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is called as Avogadro number. So now, hope this is clear. Unit, this is represent this much particles, atoms, molecules, or ions, etc., irrespective of their nature. The number is known as Avogadro number. This number is represented by N0. Avogadro number represented by N0. The value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. We have to go on this. This point also being asked the number of examinations. Avogadro number of a gas molecule occupy a volume 22400 centimeter cube at STP. This is also very important point, this to be noted. Next thing is, the number of molecule 1 centimeter cube at STP is called as what number? This is the problem being asked many times. This is known as lowest number. Lowest minute number. you are clear that the number of molecule 1 centimeter cube at STP is called low-spirited number. This is very important, and you very well know this is centimeter cube. Then the value of this number, which is known as the number of molecule 1 centimeter cube at STP, low-spirited number. What is the value of this number? This is equally very important question. 2.688 into 10 to the power 19. 2.668 into 10 to the power 19. This is also very important. The value of this number means the value of lowest digit number will be equal to 2.668 into 10 to the power 19. Next question, which was being raised by the examiners and being asked in examination, that is the calculation of this lowest digit number was on which base? On which base? What is the base of this lowest digit numbers calculation? That is Faraday law. Faraday law of electrolysis. You all are aware with that. Faraday's law of electrolysis. Faraday's law of electrolysis. Now see, again we are going to repeat this one in very start. You must understand this mole concept. In 1960, General Conference Weight and Measures introduced the U unified mass unit, which is referred as AMU, atomic mass unit. Now, mole is a unit which represents 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, atoms, molecules, or ions, etc., irrespective of their nature. The number, this is called a Avogadro number, very clear, represented by N0. Now, the next, these are the, all are the questions being asked in examination. So, be aware, be sure, and memorize these values so that these all are required in numericals actually. Go ahead. Avogadro number of a gas molecule occupy value 22400 centimeter cube, means this is, you can convert in liter, 22.4 liter also you can say. The number of molecule 1 centimeter cube, this is this much. 1 centimeter cube is called lowest digit number. The value of number is 2.668 into 10 to the power 19. Now, the calculation of this number. This question is being asked in examination. Understand my point. The calculation of lowest digit number was done by how? How it was? The calculation of this number is based on Faraday's law of electrolysis. Now, we are going to see next. See students, one AMU is equal to, very simple, this is 1 by 12 mass of carbon 12 atom. Understand my point? Mass of carbon 12 atom is what? Mass of one carbon atom will be equal to 1.9924 into 10 to power minus 23. Now you see 1 am equal to 1 upon 12 mass of carbon, 12 atom, mass of 1 carbon atom is equal to this one. Now you can write what? 1.12, 1 by 12 into 1.9924 into 10 to power minus 23. That will be equal to 1.66024. 1 minute. 1.6606 into 10 to power minus 24. This is 1 AMU. This is 1 AMU. This is in gram. We can write very simple. This is 1 AMU equal to 1 by 12 mass of carbon, 12 atom. 1 carbon atom mass is this one, means this is what? This is exactly what? 12 divided by Avogadro number. 12 divided by Avogadro number. This can be taken 12 by 12 upon Avogadro number. This is giving this much. This is 1 AMU. This is 1 AMU. This is 1 AMU. Now, what this actually, in examination, how the question is being asked, this unit sometimes asked by the other name. These are one upon n0. What is this termed as? This is termed as 1 AMU. Sometimes this is termed as 1 Dalton. Also, this is Dalton. This is also termed as 1 avogram. Also, this is termed as 1 Aston. Understand my point? 1 AMU, 1 upon 12 carbon atom, and this weight you very well know. What is this weight? 12.0000. We are writing for this C12. 1 upon N0, 1 AMU equal to 1 Dalton. It is known as 1 Dalton also. This is also termed as 1 avogram. This is also termed as 1 Aston. This is the question of times this was asked in competitions. Okay? So, this is about 1 AMU. Now, this can be written as, better to write in one language, that would be fine, I think. 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon 12 of the mass of carbon 12. You can write this like C612. Carbon 12 atom which is assigned a mass of a mass of 12.0000 AMU. Now, you see, in mole you are going to see this one, where 1 AMU atomic mass unit, that is unified mass unit, 1 upon 12 mass of carbon 12 atom. How mass of 1 carbon atom we got? That is 12 by 12 upon, it means 1 upon Avogadro number, 1 upon n0. I wrote clearly here, this is 1 upon n0 is known as 1 AMU. Also termed as 1 Dalton, also termed as 1 Avogram, also termed as 1 Aston. Any question may be asked like this. Now, how you can represent this one? This is the similar line as I have depicted here. See, 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of C12, 6C12. This is the latest definition I want to tell you. This is the latest view. Before was correlated with the hydrogen 1 gram, chlorine 35.5 gram, but this is the latest version. Understand my point. This is the latest one. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of C12, C12 atom, which is assigned a mass of 12.0000 AMU. Now AMU, you are well aware with this. This is the value of AMU here given. In mole concept, this much N0 Avogadro number, lowest split number 1 centimeter cube gas occupy how much number, this is given, and this calculation name I gave, this was on the basis of Faraday's electrolysis, Faraday's law of electrolysis. That number actually we are getting, and that is basically correlated with the 22.4 liter Avogadro what volume is being occupied by the 1 mole actually. So these are the aspects, very important. Please go with this. We will use this all in numerical portions. So this is very important. This one is, and as well I have told you that now Avogadro number we have discussed a bit, mole concept this is, then later on we will discuss in next lecture. Be healthy and safe. Thank you.